What's going on? It's your boy Phil back with another video. Today we got some great Nike SBs, some real special edition ones. Before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe while I sip my coffee. That should give you enough time to hit that bell. All right, let's get into it. I'll be honest with y'all, I didn't even do no research on it. I normally do some type of research on the shoe. I didn't feel like it, but I did when I bring y'all the shoe. These are the strawberry coughs, the Nike SBs. Um, this is a hype shoe. As you can see, it's like a strawberry. You got your translucent bottom, got your red mid cap, toe cap, your green suede, high hair suede on the Nike swoosh. On the back, you got some nice little suede going on. Then, of course, you got the strawberry coffin. Got your red laces. The insoles is fire too, but I done wore these a couple of times, so I might not be able to pull it out. Oh, I can. That's hilarious. That's how the insole look. Also in here, it's a So I might I shouldn't have took the damn insole. Oh, okay, it went back in. Okay, shoe. I feel you. All right, and it has a pocket in here. I guess real deep. And you can put it, you can put whatever you want in there. On the other shoe, that was the right shoe, so it's basically the same on each shoe. I actually like these shoes. I don't wear these a lot. I bring this out for special occasions, but I think this might be the same thing in the insole. I forgot when these came out, but this is the 420 thing they be doing. Oh yeah, it's the same thing. So yeah, this is the 420 type of shoe. They got like reverse skunks, which I like those too. I think those are the purple and green joints. Um, there's so many Nike SBs. I'm not even gonna hold you. Just dunks period. Like Jordan be getting on my nerves because Jordan will bring out the same, um, like the same colorways or like kind of the same colorways and just add something a little tiny bit different. But when it comes to like the Nike dunks, they got your regular colors, but then they be having these collaborations and all types, and then unreleased joints that I really would like. Like I'm not gonna hold y'all. Them Freddy Krueger dunks, it's no less than 10,000. Like, and I want that shoe bad. What's another dunk that I'm in love with? The Supreme dunks I really like. I might get a pair of those though too because I found a good price on them. I think it's like 600. My favorite color green, and I'm trying to get all the shoes that I like in green, so I might get those. But I love Nike dunks, and it's so bad because the couple of dunks I had before the pandemic hit, it was easy to get because nobody want them. And now, like, everybody and mother want dunks, and thank God a lot of y'all don't like the high dunks. Like, I love the high dunks; those are my favorite ones. Yeah, I got a lot of low cut ones, but my favorite ones is the high dunks because I feel like there's a lot of the high dunks that like they do special things like these. But I really like these. These are fire. Like when I bring these out, people do be looking at my feet, and you can tell they want to ask me questions. They just don't. But yeah, this shoe is fire. This is fire. I paid a grip for them, and to be honest with you, I really don't even care that I paid a grip for them because to me they're just shoes. I don't base my life off of money. So strawberry coughs, I forgot when they came out. Like I said, they're arm and a leg to get your hands on, but if you do, I advise you to get them. They came with extra laces, but I didn't have this for so long. It's up in my attic somewhere. So I've been trying to look for all that stuff to bring out a whole experience, but I don't feel like digging through all that stuff. But that's what I got for y'all today. Strawberry coughs. Um, you know, I don't smoke weed, but What a great concept. The next shoe I'm bringing y'all is gonna be an extra classic. Matter of fact, I might just do that next video and get it over with. But I'm your boy Phil. I'll holler at y'all next video. I'm out.